Hello everyone, my name is Justin Dyson, and in this video we're going to be discussing Project 2 in MDF2. So when the app launches, what you're going to get is two columns in a UI collection view. In each column there is all of my friends, or at least 20 of them, on Twitter. So you can click on one, it'll pull up their image or avatar, and then also their screen name. And so you can do this for all of your friends, and you can kind of see who they are. What's funny is I don't actually recognize half of these people. But anyways, that's the application. Now let's take a quick look at the code. Um, in the viewcontroller.h file, we basically have our Twitter array declared, and then also a spinner, which you didn't see because the app was already loaded. But there was a spinner just letting the user know that it was loading. And then also we have our collection view. So we can use the Twitter array and the collection view and the viewcontroller.m to indicate or actually provide the user with information. So one of the things that I had to try to figure out, and what I've actually found on the Apple website, was how to check for the network status. So basically there was a new framework I had to get, and then also some code that Apple actually produces themselves called reachability. And basically this is the if statement that will get that information and tell the user, or tell the app, what if the user is connected to the internet, and if they're not, then you can use this information to make your app do or not do something else. I guess inside the reachability .h and .m files, this is stuff provided by Apple. I didn't write any of this code. They do it and give it to you, and then this is all of their information about it. My friend detail view.m file, basically this is just where I go in and say take the information from each cell and populate it into the view. And what I did was actually save the avatar image to the actual what do you call it, friend info object, and that way it would load much faster and I didn't have to re-download it from the internet every time it was viewed. I didn't realize that's what I did last week, and the app was much slower because of that. So doing it this way helps a lot. And then finally I have a collection view cell .h and .m files, which is just my custom cell object from my collection view. Overall, this week's assignment was very similar to last week's. I think it was actually a lot easier, mostly because I actually got to do some coding. Didn't just fresh out of the box like I was last week, from not having coded for the past like 2 months. So this week was much easier. There's nothing I think that went wrong. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys next week.